Well, I don't know what went down this evening, but she was what? She was church. God, what did you church? We kind of, you might be quiet and listen. Sorry, we're listening for. This thing keeps coming out of my nose. Something's coming out of my mouth. Is it slimy? I don't know. Are you eating anything? Yeah. Oh my God. Something's coming out. I don't eat until this stuff right down with you. And then, I scream. Rage on the wall with a watching. Oh, come on, you guys. Don't talk that way about dog. You'll scare him. Besides, there's nobody in your wall. This way. In your wall. Stay away. What's all that in here? You trying to overspin props? You talk, baby. It's not that hot. Check out this box. That doesn't sound so good, dog. There's no anywhere to get rid of them. Sure. Telling them that. All you gotta do is get rid of them. I scare you. Would you do that for me? You want me to scare you? Don't do it, Tommy. If you're a scare you. No, we did a big scary thing. What you gonna do to eat? We're gonna be over and kiss me with or eat or even drink from my window. Well, I'm seeing that. It'll never work. What? Why not? Because it's too hard to scare Connie. Yeah, you better stay ever in the work. I can't maybe say that. Oh, I can't scare Connie. No, I'm not saying that. No. Okay, then. You just go on. I don't know. Maybe they come in. We need to say that. Oh, sure. Okay. Well, you charge your phone. I'm like, sure, come on. No, because you don't. You can be grateful for any corner or any chair. It's like any body. That's the whole point. I'm blind against scared. I thought we get scared is awful. It's the worst. That's the most horrible thing. Well, I just hope Angelica is good. When you see that, I'm gonna look for what? Scary stuff. Scary stuff? You're gonna go looking for scary stuff? Sure. I think if Angelica scare me in a scary place, that'll be really scary. I want to deliver that. Even if I was to be 3 years old. Come on, Chucky. How are you doing? Monster. Listen here. I hear him calling. Oh, he's on the phone. Stop that monster. He's too scary. Chucky, tell me. No. Oh, hi guys. Did you know the way to scare me yet? I thought that was supposed to scare me. I'm looking for a scare Connie. It's a brain. Yeah, well, let's see how brain is. I mean, I'm mad. Did we're gonna say for real? No. Tommy, pretty big bite. Don't look around. I don't know, Chucky. Behind my nose. I want you to right now. Oh. What do you think, Chucky? Is it one more time in the paper or in the capture? Tell me. I'm sure looking for the scary place is such a good idea. That's what I do, baby. And now let's here. You're happy by my head. If you listen, how you look. Okay, never mind that. Now start feeling around for it. Oh, yes. You're not a cut. Mushy gray. I know. I see eyeballs. Oh, there it is. Listen, I don't Chucky to scare. It's better than a shoe. What's it? Scary. And so you were supposed to scare me, not to see me. All right, I only do this, but Tommy leaves me no choice. It's time for the scare machine. Scare machine? It's gonna be the most creepy, horrible thing ever, and it's not gonna say so. You were right. I'll never get scared enough to get rid of those skittles. I'm doomed forever. Unless, Chucky, what? All those things that get scared do, right? You're sure there. Maybe you could teach me how to get scared when it comes back with a scare machine. Me? Teach you? Maybe being scared could be a good thing. I really hope, Chucky. Will you do it? Yeah. Okay, first I'll demonstrate the scream. Now, okay. See, now you're okay. Just like it's gonna work. Okay, now put your hands over your eyes and shoot like this. Like this? No, like this. I'm sorry, you trying. Okay, now, I am a monster. I am going to eat you. Monster. A monster. Oh no. Well, there's always a little more. That's it. You're doing great, Dobby. Doing great, Dobby. He's doomed. Where you going, Dobby? And now, you all experience the amazingness of my super duper scare machine. Angelica, are you okay? That was a big scream. Get scared. You get scared yourself. I did not. I'm not some stupid baby. I'm a grown-up kid and I don't get scared, so just leave me alone. Okay. Hey, Tommy, your earbuds. What about them? They're gone. Hey, you're right. I'm all better. Where do you think they go away? Well, when all that stuff fell on Angelica, I got scared. I was scared she might be hurt. I guess that's what cured my hip ups. Oh, thanks, Angelica.